Thank you very much.
It almost looks like you can sit in this thing.
Hey, probably a little early in the set, but we're going to go ahead and do this anyway. We got one of our original songs. Comes off our first album. The name of our first album is First Crack. It's available on iTunes, Spotify, all them other social streaming services.
Oh, you definitely couldn't go over many bumps with this thing.
No. First we do the worst place to take this car.
Yeah.
Teenage boy has got his backpack on and he runs real fast to catch the bus. No, he can't be late because the day's today. Yeah, the girl in his homeroom class. And he's gonna ask you out.
I like that Barracuda.
Yeah. Turn out again, man.
They'll be together for most of their life. Take around the world and have lots of fun.
Original taste, original.
Oh, wow.
So he's gonna take a come on.
Okay, thanks. I'll get the interior real good.
Oh yeah, original carpet on the doors. Come on.
And check chocolates.
He longs for her sweet voice on the phone. Gotta keep running, but he can't get far. A wink and a smile.
96,000 miles.
She's gonna wanna dance. Yeah, when the love got blind. It seems that all that's fine. When the love got blind, it'll make you lose your mind.
That's the original carpet. It's the original carpet too, she said. Wow. Feel how heavy that door is.
Yeah, when the love got blind, it seems that all that's fine. When the love got blind, this never makes sense. Except getting a kiss.
I know. Listen, she's got a story to tell.
It all for a kiss.
The old louvers.
It's as simple as a kiss.
I had one of these, but not in this condition.
Well, so did my Uncle Richard, and he hit that undercarriage so many times flying over hills that he ended up destroying the car, which is part of why I'm like, you're not allowed to drive mine.
No. I have a 92 I'm still working on. So.
Yes, excellent. Maybe we'll see you out here one day.
One day. Every as soon as I finish something, I find about 5 more things I want to do.
Oh, you can't let that stop you.
I know.
Just bring it out and be like, I'm still working.
I almost did, but I was like, I got my back seat out,
Yep.
and I've
You're
got,
like, oh, well, it's going to be clean soon.
yeah. Well, I'm re-dyeing it. It has 3 colors: black dash, gray, and then in the back it's white. So I've done the gray, I'm finishing up the white, then I got to do the black dash, and I haven't even touched the engine.
As long as it runs, gets you where you need to be, it'll wait.
I drive it once a week to work, which is about 5 miles.
Really? I'm about 15, but I live in Shalimar and work in Destin, so that can be 45 minutes depending on traffic.
I see, I'd be scared to death to drive mine in Destin.
Here's what I find. Most people do this. And they're so interested in looking at it that they just slow down. They're like, oh. So it's never been in a wreck in this one, but my other one, they hit me twice. So I'm safer in this one. Because people literally, they're like, oh. See them elbowing their neighbor. Right, hi.
I'll get people, they'll stop 20 feet behind me because they don't even want to get close.
Yeah, you're fine. No worries.
I'll have people pull in. I work at a mattress store, and I've had people pull in, come in thinking they want a mattress. They're like, can I look at your car?
Right.
Like, yeah. I'm not doing anything else.
I've been pulled over twice by police officers.
Really?
Just so they can look at the car.
That's hilarious.
And I'm like, sure. Get in, I'll take a picture.
How long have you had this one?
2000?
Really?
It took us a while to find it. I was very specific in what I wanted. Because I wanted a 71, I wanted a 351 Cleveland, and I wanted it to be original to the factory, not original replaced parts.
Right.
And so we looked and looked and looked, and it took us about 2.5 years. Because I found one with a Windsor, and I was like, I called my dad, and he goes, that's not what you want. And I said, I know. And he said, then you better wait. And I did. And yeah, we found this one in Venice, Florida, of all places.
Really?
Long time ago. Worth it. And drive it. I'm not a garage queen.
Mine's in the garage.
See? And that's okay, but 96,000 miles and never more, which is why I need a good mechanic. like, okay, Chris, this is what's going on. How long till you can get her in? Because he's under high demand.
Yeah, I've been dyeing the interior and just watched. I've never done it before. YouTube. That's what I've been telling her for years.
YouTube.
My rear quarter window, the motor went out.
Oh.
YouTube.
Yes. I actually tried to get a new car. I don't like bridges. So I wanted a manual. And the guy looks at me like I've got 3 heads. And he goes, you realize they don't even make that an option anymore? And I was like, well, if you pay extra, can you get it? And he's like, no. No.